Today we're going to be talking about fraction multiplication. The definition for multiplication is combining many groups of the same size and then counting the result. Let's take the problem 3/5 times 2/7, for example. Here and this really means we have 3/5 groups of 2/7, and our 2/7 is our group's size. So let's draw this out so we can see what it looks like visually. So let's draw our whole, which is going to be our 3/5. So, and let's say it's a candy bar. So let's split this up equally into 5 groups because we have 3/5. And we're focusing only on 3. So we only want to color in 3 of our 5 groups. So now, through our multiplication problem, we want 2/7 of these 3/5. So this means we're going to split our whole up further into 7 groups. So, and because we're focusing on our 3/5, right now we're just going to split our 3 into 7 different groups. 1, 3, 5, and 6. And because we want 2/7, we are just going to fill in 2 of our 3, and then this becomes what we're focusing on. So these are the pieces that we want. Okay, so let's relate this back to our multiplication problem. So since we're focusing on 2/7 of our 3/5, our yellow section is our numerator because we have our 3 and our 2.
This will all be easier if you just let me
So if we look over, we can see that we are multiplying 3 times 2 for our numerator. And this is the groups we're concerned with, and our resulting count of what we're focusing on. And our whole, or our denominator, well, first we need to have our whole be equal, so we need to further our sections of 7. And so our whole is even throughout. Which is 7 times 5. So our denominator, or our whole, is 5 times 7. And this is the pieces in our whole, so our total amount of our whole. And so that means our final answer is 3 times 2, which is 6. So our numerator, and that's again the groups we're concerned with. So our 2/7 of 3/5, like we showed over here. And our denominator is 5 times 7, which is total pieces in our whole when we split our 5 further into 7, which is 35. And this relates to the definition because we combined many groups of the same size, and then we counted the result. So we had our 3 times 2 and our 5 times 7, and that is how we got 6/35.